Today we're bringing you an inside look at something brand new.
The very first all-inclusive SLS resort right here in Playa Mujeres, Mexico.
Now, if you're wondering what is SLS, well, it stands for Sports Leisure Service. And let us tell you, this resort is living up to the name in every way.
So stick around because we're going to share everything from the amazing rooms to the food, the fun, and personal tips along the way. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and resort tours.
Let's start with the rooms. SLS Playa Mujeres has 498 rooms and suites, and almost every single one has a private balcony, terrace, or even a garden with a swim-out pool. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and stepping right into your own little paradise.
Let me tell you, 94% of these rooms have a queen sofa bed too, which makes them perfect for family getaways. The standard rooms are spacious. We're talking about 538 square feet. That's plenty of room to stretch out in and relax.
The decor is modern and chic, with soft, neutral tones, pops of color, and floor-to-ceiling windows that let tons of the natural light in. The bathrooms are luxurious too. Think rain showers, double sinks, and high-end toiletries.
And whether you're in the adults-only section or the family side, every room feels just like a slice of luxury. Some even have private rooftop terraces with plunge pools. Now, let's talk food, because who doesn't love that part of vacation, right?
Oh, absolutely. The SLS has 18 different places to eat and drink. And we're not just talking about your typical buffets.
They've got everything from Mediterranean beach clubs with fresh seafood and light bites to fine dining spots with Greek, French, Asian, Mexican flavors. Each restaurant has its own unique atmosphere. Some are casual and beachy, and others are more upscale and romantic.
We loved Twiggy's. It's a trendy spot right by the water with a laid-back vibe. The seafood was fresh, the cocktails were spot on, and the view, well, it was just stunning.
And if you're looking for a fun spot to grab a drink, check out the Monkey Bar. It's got this cool jungle-inspired design with creative cocktails that are fun to look at as they are to drink.
I loved all those monkey pictures in there.
Way too cool.
Plus, they have themed bars perfect for weddings and group events. And for families, there are kid-friendly dining rooms with menus just for the little ones. Whether you're craving something light or looking to indulge, there's truly something for everyone.
Now, if you like to stay active on vacation, this is the place for you. They've got a huge beach area where the kids can play soccer, baseball, football.
And there were a lot of them playing out there, weren't there?
Man, they were everywhere.
Yeah, and for the adults, they've got everything from jungle gym. That's right, they have a workout sort of jungle gym out there, and CrossFit, to spinning, yoga, and a full gym with free weights and machines.
Oh, and don't miss the healthy smoothie and snack bar, all included. You can grab a protein shake or that fresh salad anytime you wish.
I was really surprised that they have the protein mix and it's all included. What really stood out to us was how much thought they put into family experiences. It's not just usual kids club stuff. It's fun, it's educational, and it keeps everyone entertained, from the little ones to the teens.
So, whether you're planning a romantic getaway, family vacation, or even a destination wedding, SLS Playa Mujeres has something for everyone.
And if you're ready to book your next vacation, we're here to help. Head over to our website, to getawaytravel.com, to schedule a call or fill out a quote form. It's all free. We specialize in personalized vacations, and with over 30 years of experience, we'll make your trip unforgettable.
Hey, and don't forget, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and for more travel tips and resort tours, watch this video next.